Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. I am in a really good mood right now because I have a really exciting day ahead of me. Also, I'm vlogging in this corner of my room because it's such a mess right now and I'm trying to hide that from you guys. Today is Friday, June 21st. It's the first day of summer and I'm getting ready right now for a photo shoot for the city paper, actually, which is really cool and really exciting. I'm going to be a part of an article that goes out next week, so I'm meeting up with one of their photographers in about a half hour. We're going to get some photos taken and I'm just really excited for that. So it's going to be a really cool day. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now and the sun is shining. It's been raining pretty much nonstop for the past week, if not longer. I feel like it's just been such a rainy summer so far, so I'm really excited about the nice weather. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup. I just have to put on mascara, little basic things, and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing for the photos. And I already told Jared, the photographer that I'm gonna be with, that I'm that I'm bringing my vlog camera. Yeah, I do need to finish up my makeup because, like I said, I have to meet him in about a half hour. But yeah, I just hope that you guys are excited for today's vlog. So this is the outfit that I put on for my photo shoot. I'm wearing this green floral dress that I got from Law. I got it a few months ago, but it's just one of my favorites. And then I'm wearing my Saludos, just lace up espadrille wedges. And then for earrings, I'm just wearing these little floral studs from Kate Spade. It's kind of blurry, so I hope that you guys can see that. Okay. Okay. So I'm actually at the photo shoot right now and Jared's right there taking pictures, but he wanted to get some of me vlogging, so I'm kind of fake vlogging but also real vlogging. Just standing on the side of the road vlogging so we can take pictures.
That should be fine for
okay.
There we go. Let's see, we go.
That's like the story of my life, finding random things that I can use as a tripod.
So pretty much pretend like you're talking into the camera.
Okay. What's up, guys? So
I know you're fine. Just keep going. Yeah.
Okay. So.
We're just gonna have you take one.
Okay. Do you want me to actually talk?
It's up to you, you don't have to.
Okay. Because I don't really have anything to say.
Yeah, if you just want to smile at the camera, that's fine.
So I finished up the photo shoot with Jared and I stopped at this coffee shop that's so adorable. I got this marshmallow latte, which is pretty much dessert, but it's fine. It's 9 in the morning. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I was here the other day and posted a picture on Instagram with Madison, so I'll put that on the screen so you guys can see it. But yeah, I came back twice in 1 week, so definitely check out The Loveliest if you guys live in the Pittsburgh area. Hi guys, so it's been a couple days since I last vlogged and I'm combining this all into one vlog. So the last clip of me, I was at the photo shoot and I was taking pictures for that newspaper article. So I'm with someone special right now that you guys have been wanting to meet. So this is Alex. He is my boyfriend. And we are about to go pick up the newspaper because it came out today. So I'm really excited. I worked at Ulta all day and people were sending me links to it online and sending me pictures of it. So I've already seen it. But yeah, I'm just really excited and I think this is so cool. And it's just been a really good day. And you guys have been wanting to meet Alex and so now you're meeting him. But we'll probably still film a sit down video or something and do something a little bit more more legit. Yeah, we'll film lots of videos together. Yeah, we'll have lots of fun. All right, so we're gonna go get the newspaper now. Oh, there it is. That's me. You a proud boyfriend?
Oh yeah.
Guys, this is so cool. When my friend sent me a picture of it earlier and I was at work, I literally started crying in the Ulta break room. I don't know, I just feel really honored that they wanted to use me as part of their newspaper. I don't know, it's just super cool. So we're gonna try to find a cool place to take an Instagram picture now. Okay, so we just got back from getting the newspaper, and I was like on my Instagram story talking about Alex, so I decided to do like a little mini Q&A. Like, I just asked you guys to ask some questions, since obviously this is the first time that Alex is on my YouTube channel, which is very exciting. That must mean that I really like you.
Yeah.
I plan on having you around for a while. Also, this is Simba. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen him quite a bit, but my grandma and I got him a couple weeks ago, probably about 3 weeks ago. He is a Morkie, and he's about 5 months old, so he's still a little puppy. Simba! It's a good boy! Hi! Hi! He's so baby and so little. Yes, you are. You're so handsome. Let me know if you guys think I should start an Instagram for Simba, because I totally think that we should. He's super cute. So, without further ado, Alex and I are gonna get started with our little mini Q&A. So, a lot of you guys are asking how we met, so Alex is gonna give you guys a little rundown about how he asked me out.
We go to the same community college together, and last spring, we had class together. I think it was Principles of Management.
Yeah, it was one of my business classes.
So Erin sat second row, third seat in, and I kind of had a crush on her and thought she was cute and all. So I never really talked to her though.
We never, I mean, like, we knew of each other, but we never were like friends or anything.
Yeah. About a little over 3 months ago, she was walking out in the parking lot same time I was.
I was just leaving class and he was leaving the gym.
Yeah. And we were talking for like a minute, and then I was like, I should ask her out, so I went ahead and asked her out, and she said yes. So
and then he took me out to dinner that night.
That was a good first date.
It was a really good first date. So yeah, he literally just came up to me in the parking lot. I had no clue who he really was. We just had like a class together, and I said yes to going out on a date with him. So turned out to work out really well for the both of us.
Yeah. Literally
every question is like, how did we meet? Where did we meet? A couple people are asking what you're studying in school, or what you're majoring in.
Oh, okay. So right now I'm currently going to school to be an MRI technician. So that's 2 years of radiology tech school, and then 1 extra year to specialize in MRI stuff. And I'm also considering maybe doing something with like sonography, but you know, I have a little bit of time to decide.
Someone asked if it was hard to get my attention.
Yeah, because you're always going a million miles an hour, and you're always in the zone.
Yeah, like when I go to school, like I don't make friends, I don't socialize, I don't like hang out. I literally go to my class, take my notes, do what I have to do, and then I leave.
Tunnel vision.
Yeah, no, like literally, because I'm either going to work after, or I have so much homework that I have to do, or like videos that I have to edit, which I know that I slack on a lot, but like I just always have so much to do. That like I just have never cared to like socialize at school, even though that makes me sound really like a hermit, but it's true. Literally every question is how did we meet? A couple people are asking about like Ryan, obviously.
Yeah.
So like how I told you and how you feel about it and how it's affected like me dating. So yeah. I told him on our very first date. I kind of dropped a bomb because like we just like conversation just kind of turned into us like talking about past relationships, and I don't know, obviously Ryan is a huge part of who I am, so like I had no problem telling Alex, because like obviously it's a part of what made me who I am today. And in our relationship, I think it was kind of hard for me to open up in certain ways, or like I had a lot of walls built up at first.
Yeah. Which
is like I think obviously very understandable, but I think it was important for Alex to know that, obviously, so that he didn't think I was just like being standoffish or like wasn't interested.
Everybody's different, everybody's been through different stuff, and
yeah,
you know, I've been through my own challenges in life, and so has Erin, and I think that's what kind of, you know, brings us a little bit together sometimes in different ways. And you know, I'm always there for her, and I know that she's always there for me. So
a couple people are asking like if it's the guy that I went on the date with.
No,
that was the other guy. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, because Alex and I started dating back in March, so I kind of started hinting at our relationship around Memorial Day. Like I posted that picture on my story with the heart over his face, and then I like posted something when we were out on a date, and I like put a heart over his face, and I was like on a date kind of nervous, and I was really joking when I said that, but everyone took it really seriously and was like, oh my gosh, good luck, I hope your date goes well, like I'm sure you'll just do amazing, and like, but like it was Alex. Yeah, like it was Alex who I'd been already dating for like 3 months. So
actually, yeah, this is today's 3 months exactly.
Is today the 26th?
Yep.
our like anniversary is March 26th, but we were dating for what, like 2 weeks before that?
Yeah, or so.
It didn't take very long for us to like make it official because like
Yeah, and everybody does it differently too. Like
yeah,
just for Erin and I, it just works better that way. And you know, some people wait, some people don't. And,
yeah. I mean, a lot of people like
it felt right, so
yeah, it felt right. So we made it official after not very long of seeing each other. But it's like once we started seeing each other, like after our first date, I think we've seen each other almost every single day.
Yeah.
Like I mean, even if it's only for 15 minutes out of the day, like we have seen each other. There's probably been like less than 5 days over the past 3.5 months that we haven't seen each other.
And he like, what's his favorite color?
No one cares. I mean, I'm not like filming this as the official boyfriend tag or anything. I just kind of wanted to like introduce you guys a little bit, and yeah, we'll do more videos together, more like formal like sit down videos with my actual camera and stuff, because I was just kind of like vlogging, and this vlog is already a combination of like a couple days. So yeah, this is just kind of like randomly thrown in there. All right, so those are going to be the only questions that we answer for now, just because you guys are all asking like the same few. But if you want us to do a fun challenge video or like the legit boyfriend tag or something, then just let me know. Or if you have any other questions for
I'm willing to
Alex.
do pretty much anything, so have fun with your suggestions.
Yeah, it's really hot out here, so
lay back and chill. So
yeah, he's like super monotone. I'm like and this and,
make me
and then
sound
blah, blah,
so
blah, blah, blah.
interesting.
And then Alex is like, yeah, I'm so excited.
You make me sound so interesting saying that.
You're very interesting, and you know that.
No.
Yes. Anyways, it's really hot out here, so we're gonna go inside to the air conditioning, and then if we do anything else exciting tonight, I'll let you guys know. We came to the batting cages, and there are a lot of people driving by. You want to start, or do you want me to start?
He's taking a picture of me.
No, it's a video. Who's starting?
I can go first.
Okay.
I let you go first last time and use the last token.
Thanks, cutie bean.
Cool.
You gonna hit it out at the park?
Keep going in.
Oh yeah. Guess I kind of have to. Mediocre. Oh, my battery's dying.
No, that thing holds no charge.
Woo! That was so far. Button. Is it recording? It'll say like recording and it'll flash. It's recording? Okay. Woo!
Or, woo.
If I hit all of them, will you buy me Starbucks?
Yeah. Nice. That was a good one.
Alright guys, there you have it. That is my video with Alex. It took me an embarrassing amount of time to edit this. It's August now, and that video was all filmed like in June. But yeah, my summer classes were way harder than I thought they were gonna be. So that's what I spent like majority of my summer doing. I know that's not that exciting, but thank you for your patience with me getting this video up. I'm so excited for you guys to get to know Alex, and don't worry, we're gonna film more videos together. This was kind of like a jumbled, spontaneous, very informal video, but I'm excited just to start introducing him to you guys. I'm just excited that you guys are happy for me, and I'm excited that you guys are excited to see him, and I really appreciate all of your support with all of this. You guys know that this hasn't been an easy journey for me, and I am happy, and I feel like I'm at a really good point in my life right now. So thank you for your love and encouragement and everything. I'm on my way to work right now, so I do have to go, but I just wanted to, you know, formally end this video and say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see with him, and as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!